Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your PayPal virtual credit card. It's very simple and easy. First of all, if you don't have a PayPal account, you want to sign in, you can tap on this sign in. In my case, I'm going for this login here and then log in with your credentials. After you are sign up or log in, what you have to do is you have to verify your account. After verifying to get a PayPal virtual credit card, you don't want to be in this link. They have a separate link for that, which is paypal-prepaid.com. In this website, you can order a PayPal debit or credit card or a PayPal prepaid MasterCard. So you have to click on this order your card. Now it will take us to an external link, and here you will be required to enter your information. You want to fill this up. Also this, you will be needed to fill this up. The good thing about this, you can also choose the color of your card, which is good. So after you fill this up, you want to click this order a card button. After that, you will receive your card, and then you want to click on this button, activate your card. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to get a PayPal virtual card. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.